Good morning, this is Shelby Law with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Saturday, September 20th, 2025. Impacts are shown here for the next couple of days. We're looking at some moisture moving north and eastward throughout the Great Basin today and tomorrow, with some drying returning from the west by Monday. We saw some showers and thunderstorms yesterday over parts of central Nevada and southern Utah and the Arizona Strip, with some light precip amounts associated with those storms. It was dry across the north. 24 hours fire activity showed 4 new fires for 31 acres and 0 acres on a large fire growth. ERCs continue to be somewhat elevated over northern Utah, although we've seen the values coming down across Nevada and southern Utah with some of the storms that we saw there yesterday, and then this pocket of some higher values over eastern Idaho as well. All these values should be decreasing over the coming days as moisture pushes into these areas. This morning satellite imagery shows some moisture in place across the central Great Basin. We have this low off the Southern California coast that will kind of be with us through the week. Again, for today, some moisture is in place across the Great Basin as it's moving northeastward from the area that we saw yesterday in Nevada and southern Utah. So we'll see those showers moving northward today as well. Significant fire potential is quite low. Precip expected for today, again, is going to be mainly focused over central and northern Nevada and into parts of northern Utah. Minimum relative humidities are up, with those values mostly in the 30s, a little bit lower there in central Idaho. On Sunday, the moisture we'll still have a little bit of moisture in place across the northern half of the area, and then we also see this low pressure trough, kind of this weak trough moving through the north that will enhance some precipitation across the north as well. Overall low fire potential. So the precipitation is going to be coming in with that little low over eastern Idaho and into western Wyoming, and then we'll see some showers continuing over mainly northeast Nevada into northern Utah as well. Temperatures do come down a bit tomorrow with the passage of that trough, especially across the north, with highs back down into the 70s and some areas the 60s. Nevada staying a little bit warmer there, near 80. Monday should be kind of a drier day as we see some drier air moving in from the west, but some lingering showers will continue over the western Wyoming and northeast Utah as that low exits the area. But overall, large fire potential still remaining low. Precip for Monday again is going to be mainly over western Wyoming and northern and northeast Utah. RHs are still staying up across the eastern areas, but we will see those values dipping back down into the teens over northern Nevada. 3-day precip totals again showing that precip as it moves north and eastward through the Great Basin over the next couple of days. On Tuesday, we'll see kind of a high pressure ridge building in over much of the Great Basin, but then we also see this close low off the Southern California coast that could start to bring some moisture into Nevada, southern Nevada, as early as Tuesday. And then that close low, right now it's looking like it slowly moves inland towards the Great Basin. We could see some precipitation continuing over Nevada on Wednesday, although generally light totals there. And then the current models are showing the low moving over the Great Basin by Thursday. Again, not looking for a ton of moisture as this close low moves through, but maybe some scattered showers here and there. And then that closed low still remaining over southern Utah by Friday. But this will keep temperatures on the cooler, more seasonal side as we head into the second half of next work week. Overall, large fire potential for the week is going to remain generally pretty low. And the 7-day precip totals showing kind of the short-term precipitation expected across the north, and then as we head into the first to middle of next week, we'll see some precipitation returning back to the southern Great Basin with that next close low. The extended forecast, September 27th through the 3rd, keeps temperatures just above normal for most of the Great Basin and just slightly above normal chances for precipitation during that same time frame as well. And this concludes today's fire potential briefing. This will be the last weekend briefing. We're going back to Monday through Friday operations starting on Monday.